Alright guys, so something cool we did this week. I wasn't here to see it in the beginning, but we do have some pictures. Those will be coming up. But one thing we did was we did the floor of one of our booths. So this is the final stage before we spray the paint on it. As you can see, it's all masked in the spray booth. Everything is sanded down to the core. Removed all the doors, like we said we were going to. It's gonna get painted all the way into there. Everything. Guys, so you can see that everything behind me is getting ready to paint. It's gonna get sprayed tonight by our painter. It's starting to look good. This color is gonna turn into a Quicksand on the Toyota. It's one of the new color tones. And if you can see here, remove all the door panels, all the sunmates so that the paint gets in everywhere. We don't do anything halfway, everything is good. You can see here, perfect. Paint's gonna get in everywhere. And the next time you see this truck, it's gonna be in that Quicksand brown. And this truck is meant for off-roading, so see you on the next one. What's up guys, this project is almost done. It's looking super clean. If you can see, all this used to be red. Now it's in that quicksand color. It's looking nice and fresh. Let's come over here and see the door names. So everything is painted, everything in the cab, the door jambs, everything. Nice and white paint. Brand new paint, water-based paint by Exalta, the best paint on the planet. And if you can see, this project is almost complete. This truck is gonna look amazing. We did not do anything that's not professional. Look at that. Awesome. On the next time you see it, this truck will hopefully be assembled and it'll look like a sick off-roading vehicle. To the next one.